some of you out there that have a really strong thumb and index finger, and you're able to clamp it together and able to put this nut and bolt in. But I found this tool right here. You could get a Harbor Freight. I don't know what they are. They're like some sort of pliers. And then you just clamp it. Sorry for the bad view. I'm just doing this with, trying to do this with 2 hands. There you go. And then I get it in. Go. And I only found these at Harbor Freight. These are perfect. Been using them for over a year now, and